Good afternoon student, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to solve May June 2025 paper and we selected the task which is documentation production. Alright, so let us start. Okay, we will start with the task 2, documentation. You are going to edit uh, document your exam, about your exams, okay, and about exam file. The school uses a corporate house style for all its document. Paragraph style must be created and applied. So here they are asking us to create the paragraph style and must be applied as instructed. All right, use a suitable software package. Open the file J2521 examinfo.rft. To do this, I will go to my support file folder, and here is the file. Double click and open it. Yes, next. Now the page setup, okay, let me read the instruction. The page setup is set to A4 landscape orientation with 2.5 centimeter margin. Do not change. Okay, so student, here they clearly mention us that we do not have to change any format which is already been, okay, defined in the document. 3 paragraph styles have already been created. Okay, so 3 already got created. Do not make any change to this. All right, save the document as an exam guide. Save the document as an exam guide. Okay, so where is our document? Here it is, our document. Okay, so now this is our document. All right, okay, file, now save as, okay, in the support file folder. Okay, now I'm going to save it as a exam guide underscore. Do we have to put our name and center number, candidate number? Make sure it is saved. Make sure, okay, no need to, just save it as a exam guide. Yes, all right, okay, in a Microsoft Word document, and save it. All right, done. Next, place in an evidence file. Okay, evidence document, a screenshot showing the file has been saved. So to do this, right click, save as. Just simply click on your support file folder. You need to take a screenshot of this file with this document showing that you save in a Microsoft Word document. All right, so now let's go to the next question. Okay, so now here we go. Place in exam guide document a center align header with automated page number. So point number 1 is a automated page number. Insert page number at the top of the page should be center align. Done. Okay, this is the center align. Next, right align in the footer a single line with a text produced by. Okay, so I will copy this. Okay, Control C, followed by space, then your name and center number and candidate number. So in footer, right align. Okay, so we will go here. Okay, and double click and then insert. It's better go to footer. Okay, and it should be right align. So here I choose the 3 option footer. Now in the right align, Control V, produce by what? By your name, ABC, center number, okay, IN 123, candidate number 1234. Okay, just change it to normal. Okay, double click, done. Next, make sure that all the alignments match the page margins. Okay, so it is properly aligned. This is also properly aligned. Everything is properly aligned. And this, next. Okay, no other text placeholder including the header and footer area. So yes. Okay, okay, so now let me go here and then yes, next. So header and footer display on all pages. Header and footer is displayed on all pages. Next. Okay, now let's go to the next question. Select the subheading general. All right. And the following text up to and include the paragraph ending with the evidence provided. Okay, so let's do it. So where is general? General is here. Let me select this all and try to find out where is that. Yeah, where is that? Not here. So now include evidence provided. So at the end, before it, yes, this paragraph. Okay, selected. Now next, change the page layout so that only the text display in two column to equal width with 2 centimeter of space. Okay, spacing should be 2 centimeter between the column. So to do this, layout, columns, more column, 2 column, and spacing is how much? 2 centimeter in the width. Okay, and then apply. Perfectly fine. Now we're done with this task. Let's go to the next question. Apply a bulleted list to the text from mobile phone to enable electronic devices. Okay, let me find out where is this mobile phone. Yeah, here it is. Mobile phone to web enable electronic devices. Bullet list. Where is the bullet list? Here. Bullet list. Done. Next, what they are asking, format the bullet list so that the bullet indentation is 2.5 centimeter, which is left margin. Okay, and single line spacing with no space before or after each line. Okay, so right click, paragraph. Okay, indentation is how much? Left margin. Is it left margin? Yeah, left margin is 2.5 centimeter. Okay, and then okay, and then after that keep it hanging as a none. Then before and after should be 0, and before and after should be 0, and then press OK. Perfect. Okay, now next, what is next? There is a 6-point space after the last item in the list. Let me select the last item of the list and then right click, paragraph, and after it is 6 points and then press OK. So yes, we can see that. Yeah, next, locate the table in the document, delete the entire row of subject unit 1. Okay, in question number 5 they are asking us to delete the content of row which is business studies. And where is the table? Let us try to find out where is the table here. Yeah, it is, the table is here. Okay, now what we need to delete here, they are asking us to delete the business. Okay, select the business, right click and delete the entire row. Perfect. Next, sort the data in the table from math paper to combined science, page 3. Okay, so now into ascending order of the exam date with the data integrity key, means data should not be split. So I'm selecting the first row. Okay, and right click. Okay, and then here there is a one more shortcut command. Here is the ascending to descending. Okay, the sort option. So now click on ascending to descending, and only this first column number 1 should be, so that we need to keep the data integrity okay on the same place. So we select the only the first column to ascending order and then press OK. Perfect. Done. Next, apply to table 0.5 grid line to all the cells. Okay, so select the table, go to table borders, border and shading. Okay, now first we will do the internal. Is it internal grid line? Yeah, point grid line to all the cells. Okay, these are all the cells. Now let me select the grid line. Okay, now I just removed okay this. I don't want outside, I don't want, only the inside grid line. Okay, so now and then press OK. Yes, I got the grid lines. Now what about 3.4 point external black border? Okay, so again I will select the table, go to border and shading. Okay, now the I need to put the 2 3 to 2. How much they ask us to put? 3 to 4 points. So here, like in the borders, okay, and then here I will put 3 to 4. So let me choose 3 points and then 1 2 3 and 4 and then press OK. Perfect. Okay, done. Next, so that these are display when the table is printed. Yeah, okay, so internal is grid line and external is 3.4. Done. Next, let's go to the question number 8. Format the first row of the table so that it become a single cell. Okay, fine. So first row should be a single cell. All right, so select the first row and then right click and merge the cell. Done. The text in the cell is center aligned. Okay, center vertical and horizontal. So let me put it should be center. Okay, and what they said, the text in the cell is centered, vertical and horizontal. Okay, like both you can see here it is properly aligned. Next, what we have to do, it has a light gray background which is fill of 20 to 40%. Okay, so now let me select the first cell and go to paint bucket, and how much percent they are asking us to put? It is 20 to 40. Okay, so paint bucket, and here you can able to see, okay, 35% darker, so I'm keeping the 35%. All right, done. Next, apply the ex table style to the row 2 to 12 only. Okay, row 2, where is row 2? This is row 2. Okay, let me select all the content of row 2 and then let me go to styles and then ex table. Where is ex? Is it ex table? Yeah, ex table style, ex table. Perfect. Okay, done. Apply. Now next, format the table so that all text each row display in one line. Okay, so here it is little bit splitting, so let me arrange my table here so that the data is not splitted. Yes, just student, here you need to arrange, like organize your data, okay, by just, okay, organizing the columns. Next, the table border and all data fit in a one within a one column width. Yes, everything is one column width. Next is there is a 6-point space after the table. Okay, so now here right click, okay, or else you can just click here all the students and then go to paragraph. Okay, so now make it as a, here after is 0 and before is 6 and then press OK. So here you can see a small gap. Okay, understood? Clear? Now next, done. Create and store the following styles based on a default and normal paragraph style. So now here we have to create, the style name is ex subheads. Okay, let us create a new style. So to create a new style, this is the option. Okay, click on new style and the new style name is ex subheads. And student, as I told you in my previous videos also, please make style based on normal so that it will not affect any of this default style. Okay, font style is sans serif. Sans serif means Arial. Selected Arial. Font size is 18. Okay, alignment is center. Format, paragraph, alignment is centered. Okay, and then press OK. So wait 1 second. Yeah, centered. Then next, what I have to do, line spacing, okay, enhancement is bold and underline. Bold and underline. Then next, okay, single line spacing. Okay, format, border, line spacing is single. Okay, now before and after is 0 0 0 and 0, then press OK and then OK. So done. Don't worry, this is nothing will happen. You can simply apply the body to it. Okay, don't worry at all. You can select and apply the body. Now, next. Okay, so now we're done with this. Okay, so now one second, let me arrange the spacing is 6 so that it will be on a default. There. Perfect. Next. Yes. So now we created a new subhead, name is EX subhead. Where is EX subhead? Here it is. Next, take a screenshot, show how you define the setting of EX subhead. So EX subhead, right click, you need to just click and okay, so here you need to go right click and modify. So you can take a screenshot like this and paste in your evidence file. Make sure the evidence based on the default and normal paragraph style. Yes, we already made it as a normal and default paragraph style. Perfect. Done. Now close it. Next, identify the 4 subheadings. Okay, apply EX subhead style. So in this document, they gave us total 4 subheads. So let's do it. Where is it? First is general. Apply EX subhead. Done. Next. Next is attendance. Apply EX subhead. Perfect. Next is okay. I'm just arranging. I request everyone to arrange your document so that it look good. Okay, just enter. If any text is overlap, just use enter to arrange it in a proper column. Then apply EX subheads 3 and the last is the special arrangement. So I apply all the subheadings to the given subheads. Next. In the last paragraph, locate the text called text result nomination form. Okay, so to do this, Control F, RESULTS, results nomination. Okay, so here it is showing here. Okay, click here the result nomination. Okay, what we have to do, result nomination form. Okay, format this text so that when click it open in a document, the file name is J2521 results. So what I need to do is that I need to create a hyperlink. I need to result nominated form. I selected and click on insert and then link, which is a hyperlink. Okay, what I have to do, I need to hyperlink this text to J2521 results. So I will go to existing file page, then I will browse, then where is my confidential file? Okay, so I will go to my desktop, then from desktop we will go here and then to the source file. Okay, here you need to select all files so that you can able to see the all files. Now what we need to do, that 21 J2521 results.rft. Is it RFT? RTF. Yes. So it is rich text file. Okay, I selected and then press OK. Here student, you can see this is the file which we hyperlink to this given text. What I need to do next? Okay, do we have to take a screenshot for this? Take a screenshot. All right. So now this is what you have to do. You need to select like this and take the screenshot and then press OK. Perfect. So once you're done, can you see the results nomination form got results nomination forms got hyperlink. Okay, so now next is what? Check the spelling and the proofread for the document. What I have to do for this, student, I hope you remember, as I told you, F7 is the shortcut command. In few computers you can select Fn plus F7, okay, to proofread. So proofread you can do it. Next, what you have to do is you need to check. Okay, so now here duration spelling is changed, class spelling is changed, photograph spelling mistake, be in spelling mistake, subject is spelling mistake. So you need to just proofread and correct the is there. Now you will get the final message, spell check and grammar check is completed, and then press OK. Next, make sure the list and the tables are not split. Let me check, is there any list which is splitted? No, perfectly fine, there is nothing splitted. Next, okay, there is no widows and orphans. Okay, so now to do this, right click, okay, and paragraph, go to windows, line space, line and page breakup, and just uncheck. If it is checked, just remove, like uncheck it, so that the widows and orphan, no widows and orphans are there. Next, okay, no blank page, take, press ok, and there is a no, yeah, it is already, there is no blank page. Next, the original style is maintained. Yes, we did not change anything, everything is perfectly maintained. Next, save your document using the same file in step 1. So file, save as, okay, in my same file, and then save it. Next, and print the document. So control P, and you need to print your document. So that's all. Is there anything else we have to do? No, nothing. Thank you very much for watching. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.